WAKYME 21 volts max cordless drill driver kit with 2 batteries, power drill 35 Nm 25 plus 3 clutch, 3/8 of an inch keyless chuck, variable speed and built-in LED electric screwdriver, drill tool set for DIY drilling wall, bricks, wood, metal. The drill tool set is designed with an all-copper double-bearing gear motor. The upgraded copper motor produces 350 N-pounds torque max, provides a strong load capacity. No load speed 19,000 to 23,000 revolutions per minute. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 35 Nm 350 N-pounds torque max. 3-in-1 working mode, hammer, driver, drill. 25 position torque selector features minimizing the likelihood of overdriving or snapping screws. 0.350 N-pounds torque max provides a strong load capacity. No load speed 1900 to 23,000 revolutions per minute. Number 2. 3/8 of an inch keyless auto chuck. Large 3/8 of an inch, 10 mm, auto chuck helps to fasten screws in seconds. No worry of screws loosens while at work. It will provide more precision of torque adjustment as needed. Number 3. 2 variable speed. The drill kit is designed with variable 2 speed settings, 0 to 450 rpm, 0 to 1550 rpm, to provide accurate control for DIY or any projects. Number 4. Stepless Speed Control. The variable pressure trigger allows you stepless control the drill speed easily. Multiple purposes to match your desired application. Number 5. Convenient work light. Impact driver kit built in a front LED light illuminates any dark workspace. Number 6. With this convenient bright LED work light, you can work in any work situation. Number 7. Forward reserve control. The FR lever of this impact driver combo kit easily controls the direction of drilling, enables quickly secure or remove screws. By setting the switch in the center position, it will lock the tool for safety. Number 8. 2 PCs 2000 mAh Li-ion batteries. Come with 2 PCs 2000 mAh Li-ion batteries and 1 to 2H fast charger that can use for strong and steady power and endurable runtime. You can constantly work on your project. Number 9. Double-end driver bits. The drill is designed with 2 slots for put 2 double-end bits. It's very convenient for urgent work and will not let your bits be lost. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How long does the battery last on a full charge? Answer. According to the working conditions, it can be used for 1 to 2 hours. Question number 2. Does the drill have a LED light? Answer. Yes, the impact driver kit built into the LED headlight can illuminate any dark workspace. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.